Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to this channel, welcome to the family, and thanks to everyone who have liked, shared and subscribed to my channel. I love you all, and as you guys can see from the title, I'm doing Nikita Dragun's look, which I saw on her Instagram, and it was really cute. She did this look around Valentine's Day, and oh my god, it was so cute and I really wanted to recreate it. She has also uploaded a tutorial for that. I will just look at her pictures and do whatever I like. I'm not good at doing makeups, but seriously I really love the look, so let's go ahead and do that. By the way, I took a shower and got ready. I have already eaten my breakfast as well, and I will insert that clip right now, and after that I will start my makeup. So for my breaky today, I'm eating some cereal. I was craving for some cereal, so I'm gonna eat this with milk. And I'm also eating some omelette. I added my sausage on top and some toast. Delicious looking breaky. Yum. By the way, I have already done my that was a very bad start, guys, but yes, I have already done my eyebrows, you know, concealer, foundation and all those stuff. So I'm just gonna focus on the blush, lips and eyes. So yes, so this is the look I'm going to recreate, guys, and it looks very white at the moment, but I will add the picture so that you guys can know what I'm creating. So this is her look and this is my look, guys. I know I look like a Oompa Loompa, but seriously guys, it was fun creating this look, but I think now I'm scaring my neighbors and their kids, you know. By the way, I also blow dried my hair and I can't take myself seriously with this look. But look at the hearts. The one which I did with the concealer, it looks alright, but the one I did with the lipstick, I don't think it went very well. I thought I was a good makeup artist, but after this, sorry. So never invite me for bridal makeups or holiday makeups, cause you might turn up like this, you know. Say bye bye to me for makeup. The makeup is horrible, but it was lots of fun. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this, and I love you all. Let's go ahead and continue with our vlog life. Can't take myself seriously with this makeup, so I'm gonna remove it. I I look so much better now. I kept the lipstick and removed the eyeshadow, but I kept the waterline eyeshadow. It looks really cute. I really like the pink detailing. And yeah guys, by the way, look at my makeup station guys. It looks so bad. I need to clean this up and let's do it together. So I just finished organizing my makeup station and I will clean my brushes later with makeup wipes. It's a lot of makeup. Look at that. I'm gonna pick a nail polish for me. I have some over here and lots over here, but some of them are expired. I might try this one guys. It's from Essie again and it's corally pink color, and this is the name of the nail polish, which I don't want to butcher, but please ignore my nails guys. It's horrible, I know. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this nail polish. So I came downstairs and watched some YouTube videos and I also applied the nail polish. Look at that guys. It looks so beautiful. I love nail polishes from Essie. It's so much better than other nail polishes I have tried. It lasts longer and then it dries quicker as well. So this is the color which I'm wearing today and I'm glowing like crazy. I don't know why, but I love it. So right now it's almost lunchtime and I'm going to eat the leftovers which I had yesterday. I made some porco achar and cauliflower curry yesterday, so that's what I'm gonna eat. And if you haven't checked out my porco achar recipe, then definitely go ahead and watch guys. It's so yum and you guys should definitely give it a try. It's very easy to prepare and anybody can make it, you know. So go ahead and watch it and let me know if you like that recipe or not. So you mero lunch ho. I'm eating exactly the same like yesterday cause I'm eating leftovers. Today I'm not eating tomato ko achar, but I'm eating plenty of tomatoes and cucumber, and look at that, so delicious. So I just washed my dishes and I want to eat some mangoes. My husband, he got this one for me long time ago when my cousins, they came over here. This one looks delicious, but it's not ripe. And this one is kind of soft, but I don't think it's fully ripe, so I have to leave this for around 2 to 3 days. And this one, it might take around 1 week, I don't know. But I love mangoes guys. One time I went to the town center and I also did a haul video on that day. When I got the mangoes, they were like very ripe and soft to touch, and I was like, okay, it's perfect to eat. And when I cut it, it was all rotten inside. Mango jai pakeko bhanda halka kacho nai lieko best ho. So yes, instead of mangoes, I'm going to eat a banana. Quick little unboxing for you guys. I got this stationery from Miniso and it has everything you need for an office or for your house, you know. So let's go ahead and open it. It's kind of hard to open. It's in pink color. It's my favorite color. You guys know that. I paid around 300 rupees for this, I believe. So it comes with stapler and paper clips. Very cute. Paper clips, a sharpener, and paper pins. I don't know what do you call this, and eraser. It also comes with extra tape and it's so tiny. I love it. And the tape dispenser, really cute, and some extra staplers. So that's the little unboxing for you guys. I don't need this, so I'm going to throw that. And it's so handy. I'm so glad that I got this one for my house. Every day I try to drink at least 2 liters of water, and drinking water is really good for you guys. It's good for your skin and your health, and if you're trying to lose weight, drink water before lunch or dinner. It can help you from eating too much, because sometimes we are not hungry, we are thirsty. So definitely drink water and then eat your food. That's a little tip for you guys. I always like to keep these on random places, like in my living room and upstairs, and whenever I'm thirsty I just grab it and drink it. So right now I'm upstairs and I will show you how I clean my brushes with a makeup wipe. Here are my brushes. I used it this morning and it's very dirty. You guys know that I did my NIKITA DRAGUN makeup and it was horrible, but let's go ahead and clean it, okay? This is how I do it. I grab a makeup wipe and then just, you know, go left and right until the brush is clean. Look at that makeup. This is one of the easiest and quickest way to clean your brushes, and it works really good. I also wash my brushes now and then with baby shampoo and conditioner, but this is the quickest way for your everyday makeup routine. Definitely use this method for your everyday brushes and your skin will be thanking you later. So yes guys, that's my quick tip for you all. So that's all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching my vlogs and I love you all. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe for more, and hit the notification bells for more updates. Bye.